Hello everyone, this is Sandy. I'm just going to try to unbox my new headset. This is the box, and the reason I'm getting this is it's actually a gift from my Mother's Day gift, but it came a bit late. I do lots of video conference, and I think it's also going to help me with my exercise when I go outdoor, so I'm going to show you this one. It's a Bose speaker. I really love Bose product. I also have another remote speaker in my home at the moment. So when you open it, just some very simple stuff, and it has got a user's manual. The manual I have tried to read through it, and it's both in English and Mandarin. And it comes with this little box, which has got a charger at the back, and when you open it, you can put your units in. There's a left, which has actually the control here. You can press on and off to connect your handsets or computer, and this one on the other side. And what need to watch out is I tried with my video conference yesterday in the office, and the reception is really good, so I can hear even the background noise. I remember my family was doing something at the background, and my boss actually can hear it. So be careful, if you are work from home and you want to reduce the noise of the background, you might need to play a bit with the filter. When I also use it for exercise outdoor, it was a bit strange with my ear. When I fit the left on the left, the right on the right, it came out quite easily. But when I reverse by putting the left on the right, right on the left, it actually fits perfectly. Went for a walk for 15 minutes, no problem at all. I hope you find it useful. At the moment, the price is normally around £100 plus, but we managed to get around 30 quid from the internet, and it works quite well. Hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.